Hey! Hi guys! Welcome back on my YouTube channel. So, kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe and click mo na rin yung notification bell para updated ka sa mga future uploads ko. So, for today's video, I did a soft glam makeup tutorial, which is this. So, if you wanna know how I achieved this look, just keep on watching.
So first, I just use this Glutalite Whitening Facial Cream for my face. And then I'm just blending it all using my beauty blender. Make sure that you blend it all perfectly on your face so that it won't look cakey. For my concealer, I just use Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. And I'm just covering the areas of my blemishes. First is, I just brush my brows before I apply the eyebrow pencil. And I just start drawing on the bottom of my brows. I just want it to look like clean and thin that matches my eyebrows. And I'm just using this Saniye eyebrow gel to achieve the bushy eyebrow look. Contour my face, I'm just using Ashley Shine Contour Palette. For my eyeshadow, I just use this peach color eyeshadow. For the second layer, I use this Indian color eyeshadow. For the third layer, I use this dark orange eyeshadow. To set my eyebrows, I just use this shimmery gold eyeshadow. Using this Maybelline Fit Me eyeliner. Then I'm using Ever Belena Power Curl Mascara. To cover my face, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Face Powder. Then I'm just applying a shimmery eyeshadow on the inner corner of my eyes. And then for my blush, I just use the color Peach eyeshadow so that it matches the color or the tone of my eyeshadow. And then for my lips, I just use this Vice Cosmetics cream lipstick on the shade Ganda Lang. And we're done! Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe on my channel and click the notification bell. And see you guys on my next vlog. Bye!